Jesus freak here. So, I mentioned in a previous video that I've been having issues with YouTube eating comments. From what I can tell, it specifically happens under certain specific conditions with the SeaMonkey web browser that I use most of the time on the main YouTube site as opposed to the YouTube Studio. And the app on my phone seems to do it too. Now, I actually have other web browsers installed. I have Chromium, Firefox, which comes with the operating system, and Edge. Now, I don't like these other browsers because they don't look and work like I'm used to. The browser I use, SeaMonkey is a direct descendant, or more correctly, the direct evolution of the original Netscape Navigator from the early 90s. And that's just what I'm comfortable using. But there are a few websites that don't like it and don't work right with it. It's a long story as to what happened, because SeaMonkey used to work fine on almost everything. When Firefox overhauled their code, they started breaking everything. So now, the SeaMonkey can't just, update the back end to follow Firefox every version like they used to. And it slowed them down. But since I prefer SeaMonkey, since I've used it for years, since it works fine for 95% of websites, I decided the best way to try to deal with all of this is this. I have two websites, Facebook and YouTube, that I keep open all the time. For those, I'll use Edge. And for everything else, I use SeaMonkey. Hopefully that solves the issue. So far, it seems to. Jesus freak out.